Assalamualaikum. Welcome back in my channel, Asep and Septian. Let's discuss about English. Okay, guys, now you are in the second semester. And for the first lesson in the second semester, we will discuss about something. But before we discuss about our material, I want to give you 5 texts. Okay? So, when I give you the text, maybe you can pause the video. Okay? You can pause the video and wait for a while. Okay, let's go. So, here's the first text. You can pause the video and read the text for a while. Next, this is the second text. You can pause the video and wait for a while. Next, this is the third text. Okay, you can pause the video and wait for a while. And next, we have this text for the fourth text. You can pause the video and read the text for a while. And last, we have this text for the fifth text. Okay, you can pause the video and wait for a while. Okay, so guys, let's discuss about the text. So actually you have got 5 texts. You have got 5 texts. Take a look. For the first, do you still remember what is the title of the text? Yes, it is about the hare and the tortoise. The hare and the tortoise. And what about the second text? Yes, that's about Sura and Baya. And what about the third text? That's good. It is about bawang merah, bawang putih. And what about the fourth text? Yes, it is about Nyai Roro Kidul. And what about the last text? Yeah, that's about Sleeping Beauty. So, you have got 5 texts. Okay, there are the hare and the tortoise, and and you have Sura and Baya, and you have bawang merah bawang putih. You have Nyai Roro Kidul, and you have Sleeping Beauty. And do you know, guys, all of the text actually it is called narrative. They are called narrative text. Okay, they are called narrative text. So what is narrative text? Narrative text, to make it simple, it is about the story. Okay, it is about the story. So it's the narrative text. Okay, next. Now, for the narrative text, actually there are so many types. There are so many types of narrative text. But in this video, we will just discuss 5 types. Maybe you can take a look. The first, we have fable. And the second, we have legend. And the third, we have folktale. And the fourth, we have myth. And the fifth, we have fairy tale. Okay, let's discuss one by one. Don't forget, prepare your notebook and please make some notes. Okay. For the first, fable. Fable actually it is about the story about the animal. Yeah, story about the animal. So, for example, like we have discussed, it is about the hare and the tortoise. That's the first example. I have prepared the second examples, like the ant and the grasshopper. And next, we have the fox and the crow. Okay, so those are the examples of fable. Okay, the story of animal. Next, for the second, we have legend. Legend actually it is the story about something that you can see the place. Okay, that you can see the place. Jadi cerita tentang sesuatu yang tempatnya tuh ada. Itu nyata, ada tempatnya tapi ada cerita. There is a story behind the place. Oke, ada cerita di balik tempat tersebut. For example, like we have discussed, Surabaya. Do you know Surabaya, right? So it is one of the legend. What else? We have Prambanan Temple. You can see the place, right? Prambanan Temple in Yogyakarta. And next we have Tangkuban Perahu. Okay, Tangkuban Perahu in Bandung, Bandung, in the West Java. Okay, in the West Java about Tangkuban Perahu, and you can see the place Tangkuban Perahu. So if you can see the place, if you can find the place, so it's called legend. Okay, it's called legend. If it's talk about the animal can talk, can speak. Okay, it's called fable. Next, the third we have folktale. Folktale means cerita rakyat. Okay, folktale means cerita rakyat. So what is the example? For the first we have bawang merah, bawang putih. Okay, that's the famous story. That's the famous folktale. And next we have golden cucumber. Okay, golden cucumber, timun mas. And I'm sure that you know about that story. And next we have Pinocchio. Yeah, Pinocchio is one of the folktale. Okay, and next we have myth. Okay, actually myth is a story that there is magic inside the story. Jadi ada magicnya, ada sihirnya, ada apa ya yang berbau-bau dengan horror maybe. You can say like that. Okay, for example, like Nyai Roro Kidul. Okay, Nyai we talk about the person. Okay, we talk about the person Nyai Roro Kidul. If we talk about the place, for the South Sea, that I know it is in the south. Nah, maybe it can be a legend, but because we just discuss about the person, kita hanya mendiskusikan orangnya, so we can call it myth. Okay, mitos. Next, we have the myth about Dewi Sri. And next, we have the myth about Aji Saka and Dewata Cengkar. Okay, so we talk about the person. And the last, we have about fairy tale. Okay, we have about fairy tale. So, fairy tale actually it is the story that there is a fairy inside the story. Okay, there is a fairy inside the story. So, what is the example about the fairy tale? Take a look. We have Sleeping Beauty. Okay, you can find fairy. Yeah, you can find fairy in the story. And there is Cinderella. You can find fairy also in the story. And the last, it's about Snow White. Yeah, and the last is Snow White. Actually, there are so many that I know. Maybe fairy, yeah, fairy. Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast is one of the fairy tale. Sir, what about Naruto? Now, actually, like Naruto, Dylan, blah 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 blah, and etc. Actually, you can call it, you can call that novel, you can call that comic. But for this video, we just discuss about fable, legend, folktale, myth, and fairy tale. Okay, so that's about the first part of narrative. So in this video, actually, we discuss about the types, what is narrative, the example of narrative, and the types of the narratives. Okay, so thank you for your attention, guys, and don't forget to do the 3M, memakai masker, mencuci tangan, dan menjaga jarak. Okay, don't forget, please do not go anywhere, just stay at home. Okay, thank you guys, see you again, bye bye, assalamualaikum.